store smells like Pall Mall. The cashier wears the same overalls. The cops wash the blood off their hands with the moonshine. The cashier with the same overalls. The cops wash the blood off their hands with the moonshine they took from the moonlight. Living that hard life, rolling out of Detroit, yeah, the engine's alive. In my big rig truck where the ghosts come to drive. With the wind in my face, freedom sweet taste. Searching for a road where my heart nice flows in the house. It's a trucker's anthem, shotgun blast, separate your hands and stand them. From the back rows to the stage as we ride like we mean it. Hey now people, let's crank up the speed limit. Rolling down these highways, we never look back. With the gas and the grip, we're on the right track. Who's in the house? We're here to have fun. Shotgun blast, baby, the night's just begun. Faded memories of summer nights, barefoot in the grass, feeling no city lights. Sipping on cheap beer under stars so bright. Living for the moment, never lost in the fight. Got my crew by my side in the radio blasting. Every laugh, every tear, a memory everlasting. From the asphalt jungle to the quiet pine trees, these roads call my soul like the sweetest melody. Who's in the house? It's a trucker's anthem, shotgun blast, echo, raise your hands and stand them. From the back row to the stage as we ride like we mean it. Hey now people, let's crank up this feeling. Rolling down these highways, we never look back. With the gas and the grit, we're on the right track. Who's in the house? We're here to have fun. Shotgun blast, baby, the night's just begun. Late nights with the moonlight glow, chasing dreams on this two-lane road. Smoky air and laughter, that sweet melody reminds me of a life that's been gifted to me. Got the gears shifting, heart racing fast, with every mile leave behind the past. So crank up that engine, let's tear this place down. Shotgun blast, bitches, we taking the crown. Dirty South, we be ripping it loud. Falling through the night, yeah, we flex and proud. No stopping this vibe, it's a trucker's decree. Roadjack, twist the gunner just to wait and see. So raise your drinks up, let's toast to the grind. Shotgun blast, motherfucker, we're one of a kind. Who's in the house with the moonlight glow, chasing dreams on this two-lane road? Smoky air and laughter, that sweet melody reminds me of the life that's been gifted to me. Got the gears shifting, heart racing fast, with every mile leave behind the past. So crank up that engine, let it roar and blast. This trucker's anthem, memories built to last. Who's in the house? It's a trucker's anthem, shotgun blast, echo, raise your hands and stand them. From the back rows to the stage as we ride like we mean it. Hey now people, let's crank up the speed limit. Rolling down these highways, we never look back. With the gas and the grit, we're on the right track. Who's in the house? We're here to have fun. Shotgun blast, baby, the night's just begun. Memories of summer nights, barefoot in the grass, feeling no city lights. Sipping on cheap beer under stars so bright. Living for the moment, never lost in the fight. Got my crew by my side in the radio blasting. Every laugh, every tear, a memory everlasting. From the asphalt jungle to the quiet pine trees, these roads call my soul sweetest melodies. Who's in the house? It's a trucker's anthem, shotgun blast, echo, raise your hands and stand them. From the backwards to the stage as we ride like we mean it. Hey now people, let's crank up this feeling. Rolling down these highways, we never look back. With the gas and the grit, we're on the right track. Who's in the house? We're here to have fun. Shotgun blast, baby, the night's just begun. Late night trains on this two-lane road. Smoke the air and ride to that sweet melody. Reminds me of the life that's been gifted to me. Got the gear shifting, heart racing fast. For every mile is behind the path. So crank up that engine, let it roar and blast. This trucker's anthem, never was built to last. Who's in the house? It's a trucker's anthem. Shock a blast, separate your hands and stand. And from the back rows to the stage as we ride like we mean it. Hey now people, let's crank up the speed and let go. Got the gear shifting, heart racing fast. With every mile I leave behind the past. So crank up that engine, let it roar and blast. This trucker's anthem, memories built to last. Who's in the house? Trucker's anthem. Shotgun blast, raise your hands and stand. From the battles to the stages, we ride like we lean. Let the past and the club go on the right track. Who's in the house? We here to have fun. Shotgun blowing, my little fucking drum. Who's in the house? We here to have fun. Shotgun blowing, my little fucking drum.